Hi there, students. Passim. Passim. This is a great word. This is an adverb. This is something that I think you will almost only, well, not completely only, find in academic writing. Let's see, for example, if you are writing the notes or the references for something. So you can find examples of this on page 10 of the book, page 12 of the book, and Passim, and in other places, and throughout the book. Okay, so Passim gives this idea that information about this can be found in various different places in the text. So normally you're going to see this word at the very end or with the references. Yeah. See my book, The English Language, on pages 12, pages 14, and Passim, and other places, and throughout the book. Okay, so let's try and find a way for you to actually use this word while speaking, because that's a very technical place to use it. Yeah, he talks about love at the beginning of the book, and Passim, and in various other places. Okay, so Passim, throughout, here and there, frequently. Yeah. Normally it occurs in various places in a work. So the witches appear in the first scene of Macbeth, yes it is, and Passim, and in various other places, and throughout the play. Okay, notice you've got to use it as an adverb. They appear Passim, throughout, yeah, here and there, in various spots, in various places. Okay, so you will find this theme, Passim, throughout the book. Well, you will find this this theme, Passim, in the book without the throughout, because the throughout is a tautology and it means Passim. Okay, here and there in various parts. His speech started with a strong complaint about the government, and this theme was repeated, Passim, here and there throughout the speech. Okay, and that's the idea. Okay, formality. This is a formal word. I think I'm going to give this a 7.5 in formality. I think if you use this word when speaking, many native speakers are not going to know what it means, but it's a great word. Let's see, it comes directly from Latin. This is Latin in English. In Latin, Passim means here and there, everywhere in it. Okay, so you will find phrasal verbs in my early videos. You will also find them Passim throughout my channel. Yeah, you will find them Passim in the channel. It works. It's a bit formal though. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Passim.